Katie, and this is Living in the Now. On my channel, I talk about everyday manifesting, stories and examples to help you to manifest everything you desire. So some people might ask, what's the key to keep it on track? How do I keep my manifestation on track after I did the 3 steps? Now, if you've been following me, then you know that I use 3 steps to manifest everything. I decide what I want, I say what I want in a certain way, and then I feel like I have it, or will have it, the having of it. So after doing the 3 steps, the key or the thing that I've been doing lately is you say this phrase: no matter what, I'm going to get what I want. No matter what I see, no matter what, I'm going to get what I want. So ever since doing that, I've seen tons of results and really fast, even when it looked like there was nothing and no one. All of a sudden I would say that, and it would show up. My manifestation. That's my video for today. Thanks for watching.